In this week's video, we're going to be taking a look at an American Flyer locomotive set. This train set is from the New York Central lines. It comes with a 21157 locomotive, a boxcar, a coal car, and a caboose. First off, let's see what comes in the box. Looks like each car, as well as the locomotive, comes in its own box, transformer in the bubble wrap, and the track. So first off, let's quickly get this track set up. There, that didn't take long. Weird enough, mine came with an extra full circle of wide radius track. It's a bit weird, but that amount of track is worth $60, so I'll take it. And first up, we'll be unboxing the locomotive. Comes in a nice styrofoam lining with a top cover to keep it nice and sturdy in its packaging. And of course, they never like to come out easily. I gotta say, there is quite a bit of detail with all the rivets and stuff. So far, so good. Not much to really say about it. It's in great condition. Let's get that on the track. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at the boxcar. This boxcar comes with a broken coupler, but I bought it knowing it that way. For now, I'm just going to place this to the side. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at the coal car. Quite a bit of detail. Very nice. Here's the bottom of it. And the top full coal. And last but not least, we're going to be unboxing the caboose. If it wants to come out of the box, that is. Not really too much to say about this piece. It's just your average caboose. I will be putting the boxcar at the end, since it only has the one coupler, just so I could at least put it on the track. Next up, we'll be unpackaging the transformer and getting it all wired up so we can get this locomotive running. If you haven't already, click that circle icon to subscribe. It'd really mean a lot. Or check out this video, because YouTube says you'd like it.